Hello everyone! In this video today, I will be going through some basic pronunciation practice with our vowel letters A, O, E, U, and I. So first, we have our short vowel sounds. So we will start with the letter A, B-A-T, we say as bat, bat. Next, the letter E, B-E-T, we say bet, bet, eh. Bat, bet. Next, with the O, B-O-T, we say bought, bought, bought. Next, we have U, B-U-T, we pronounce as but, but, And then we have the letter I. This we pronounce as bit, bit. So those are all of our short vowel sounds. Bat, bet, bought, but, bit. Next, we have our long vowel sounds. So for the long vowel sounds, we pronounce these ones a little bit differently. So first, we have our long A. So to make this the long A sound, we have to add the E to the end of this word. So we pronounce this as state, state. A, state. Next, we have our E. Again, to make the long E sound, we can put two E's together, which will make beat, beat. We can also make the long E with E and A together too, like beach. Next, we have our O. So to make the long O, we have to add the A as well. B-O-A-T, boat, boat, O. Next, we have our U. So again, we just add the E to the end to make this the long vowel sound. For example, cute, cute, U. And then I, to make this long, again, we will just add the E to the end of the word. So we pronounce it as bite, bite. So again, the long vowels, we have state, beat, boat, cute, and bite. So now you know the differences between our short vowels and long vowel sounds in our English vocabulary words. Thank you so much for watching. As always, have a great evening. Goodbye.